Alright, so now that we have a little bit of the understanding of how this 3D printing stuff works, it's time for us to make an account at a website called TinkerCAD.com. So we're going to click on here and go to TinkerCAD.com and press enter, and it will bring us to the TinkerCAD website. Now, I'm already signed in, so I'm going to go ahead and sign out and show you how to create your profile. And once you create your profile, you'll be prompted with a little bit of a bit of a tour or a bit of a tutorial on how to play around with this stuff. So the first thing you want to do from the website you'll be on is click on Join Now. And you're going to have three different options. In school, educators start here, students join a class. We're not going to do either of those. We're going to actually click on Create a Personal Account. If you try to join as a student, it's going to ask you for a classroom code, and we're not going that deep into this material. So we're going to create our own personal account, and it's going to ask you to sign up either with your email, sign up with Google, sign in with Apple, and there's other options. We're going to click Sign In with Google, and it's going to prompt us to pop in through here. Click on your school account, which is the one that you want to sign in with, and it will bring you to the introductory pages of TinkerCAD. Now again, I already have an account made, so I'm not going to have the tutorial. So you're going to spend about maybe 10 to 15 minutes going through the tutorial and learning all of the different features, and then I'm going to kind of re-guide you through the essentials that I think are most important. So go ahead and take a minute to do that, and then when we return, we're going to look at creating a new design.